Hello, hope you are doing fine. So, today I'm going to share with you my daily routine. After offering Fajr, I made this high protein yogurt bowl, which is yogurt with protein, crunch granola, and blueberries. I eat almost daily. झूठ बोल रही हूँ जहन्नुम में ना इन यूट्यूबर्स के लिए एक स्पेशल डिपार्टमेंट होगा. After praying, I start making lunch boxes for my kids because they go to school. I am making burger for them. These are 2 eggs, but I decided to cook them at once because it's easier for me. And for one burger, I'm going to put in the kebab I already made and froze. And for the other one, I'm just going to add the cheese slice. The kebab is also ready, so I'm just going to assemble them and put a little bit of ketchup in them. Sometimes I slice them in half, or sometimes I just put them as a whole. Now today I'm going to slice them in half and then put them in their lunch boxes. While I make the lunch boxes, I have already warmed the milk because in breakfast they are going to have some cornflakes today. They requested me last night already, so I said okay. Right now they are washing up, brushing their teeth, and yes, I just changed the baby's diaper and now I'm here assembling the lunch boxes. I put the burgers in them and now it's time for the fruits. For the fruit, I have taken melon. I already cut in the night because it helps me in the morning. Along with the melon, I'm also adding 4 to 5 blueberries for their change of taste. Now their lunch boxes are ready. I'm just going to add the water bottle and put them in their bags. After that, most of the time I change their dresses because they cannot do on their own. I help them in changing and get them ready, give their breakfast. Now it's time for their father's breakfast because they all go together. Their father first leave them in their school and then he goes to office. Sometimes I drop them to the school and sometimes but mostly he does it. He likes to eat paratha with an omelette in the morning with a big mug of tea. So I prepare it for him and give them. And same goes for me. I also eat paratha or roti or rice or bread. I don't eat granola or any protein salad or something. No, I don't eat. So when everybody is done and they are gone to school, now it's turn for the baby. It's time for his breakfast. He doesn't sit on the chair all the time. He just wants to go and play. So I gave him a blueberry so that he can play with it. And meanwhile, I can feed him. I really don't know why kids just don't sit still. Like anybody, I haven't seen any baby who would like to skill. And you're in Netherlands, so obviously it's raining. But the code was orange, so it was very windy that I opened the door and it just slammed. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I needed some things, some grocery things, so I had to go because I needed the bread for the next day for kids, so I had to go. So I went and I was wet all over and my jacket was completely dripping in the water, and I had to wash the clothes as well, so I put all the clothes and my jacket in the machine as well and turn it on so that the clothes will be clean until the children come home. So here are the things. Let me show you a quick check what I bought. There were only 2 bananas left, but I had to take it because Ibrahim eats it, so I just took 2 bananas. Here is some Chinese cabbage, blueberries, soy sauce, some sweet corn and carrots because I thought why not making the halwa, gajar ka halwa. We love it. And some spaghettis. And And yes, the sun came out and it was beautiful day. I was glad that the sun came out so that I will not wet my other jacket as well. Before leaving, I'm going to put black chickpeas on the stove. So I've added garlic and onion and salt, chili, turmeric and garam masala, and give it a good mix and cover it for about 2 hours because I don't have pressure cooker. The most unpredictable thing I have seen in my life is Netherlands feather. Here I have taken roti, which is made of a 50% all-purpose flour and 50% whole wheat flour. I usually make it in about 10 to 15 pieces and freeze them so that I can use the time like this. I have put cheese slices, egg, and now corn. I was told that mommy, no capsicum and no onion, okay, and no jalapenos because it's so spicy for me. So I just microwave it for 30 seconds and it's ready to go. It is so easy and so simple. Now this is homemade pizza sauce. Yes, I am using it on it. I made two of these, one for Muhammad and one for Hafsa. And yes, it's ready to go. For Muhammad's pizza, it's simple, and for Hafsa's, it goes with sauce. You can also make it on tawa because it hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. It's just the time cheese takes to melt. That's it. It's not that thick of the dough, so it's easy for them to eat and finish it, and it's healthy because I have added egg and cheese, and of course the whole wheat flour is so nutritious. We all know that. Here the water is completely dried out and the chickpeas are soft. Now I'm going to fry them in the oil. It's not that much of oil. When onion and garlic makes a thick and smooth paste, then we are going to add in our water to make a soup like consistency and cover it. Cook it until it thickens. Your thickness of the soup depends on yourself. Now I'm going to take the kids' para classes, the Quran Majid classes, which is I think as important as the school. After that, or you can say during that, I am cooking the rice with the chickpeas. Here I have prepared the tadka for the rice. Now adding rice and water with the salt and cook it on a medium high flame, and our rice are ready. It's not that much fast as it is looking in the vlog, but at the end when you are going to eat it, you're gonna say it's worth it. It's ready, and I'm gonna garnish it with some coriander leaves, and our food is ready. Then we are going to eat it. It's about 6 to 7 p.m. We have our dinner. Then I clean up the things, just picking up the things which kids have messed up. After that, I am going to change kids' PJs, put them in the bed, and after that, again coming back and see if there are more things to pick up like that, and set the things, getting ready the clothes which they are going to wear tomorrow, and that's it. This is most of my routine. So if you like my video, do share it with your friends, and yes, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to my channel because I upload every week. And until next video, bye bye, have a nice day.